अल्लाह वाले जो अल्लाह से मिला देते।
Fourth, Sha'banul Mu'azzam, Urs Mubarak of Hazrat Sayyidatuna Kulthum radiyallahu ta'ala anha, the beloved daughter of the Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam. Hazrat Sayyidatuna Kulthum radiyallahu ta'ala anha was born in Makkatul Mukarramah 4 years before the declaration of prophethood. She was the third daughter of the Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam from Ummul Mu'mineen Hazrat Sayyidatuna Khadijatul Kubra radiyallahu ta'ala anha. She was educated and trained under the affectionate and loving guardianship of her sacred parents. After migration, the Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam got her married to Amirul Mu'mineen Hazrat Sayyiduna Uthman Ghani radiyallahu ta'ala anhu after the demise of Hazrat Sayyidatuna Ruqayyah radiyallahu ta'ala anha. Therefore, Hazrat Sayyiduna Uthman Ghani radiyallahu ta'ala anhu is known as Dhun Nurain, the possessor of two lights, the beloved daughter of the Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam. Hazrat Sayyidatuna Kulthum radiyallahu ta'ala anha passed away on the 4th of Sha'banul Mu'azzam 9 Hijri. Her blessed shrine is situated in Jannatul Baqi, Madinatul Munawwarah, and is a source of blessings for its visitors. May the blessings of Almighty Allah Azza wa Jal be showered upon her, and may we be forgiven without accountability by virtue of her high spiritual status.
सल्लू अलल हबीब सल्लल्लाहु तआला अला मुहम्मद। मुझे अपनी और सारी दुनिया के लोगों की इस्लाह की कोशिश करनी है इंशाअल्लाह।